Tejashwi Yadav behave irresponsibly? And will Rahul Gandhi speak more responsibly on security issues on which Supreme Court came down very heavily? On this issue, I am joined by Satyaprakash Mishra, spokesperson JDU, Dhananjay Giri, spokesperson BJP, Sujata Paul, spokesperson Congress Party, and Priyanka Bharti, spokesperson RJD. I am joined by 4 spokespersons on this issue. So let me straight away go to Priyanka Bharti first, because the Tejashwi is the issue. What is happening, madam? 2 epic cards. Now there is a legal notice to your boss.
This is not a legal notice. I think this is indirect notice directed by BJP to ECI, so two Gujaratis threatening a Bihari. That's it. You see, concealing information, that too when you're filing affidavit, you're filing nomination for election, is both illegal and unconstitutional. A supreme leader of India, not once, not twice, 4 times, hid information about his wife. So I think ECI should start the procedure of checking facts from there onwards. A deputy CM of Bihar, Samrat Chaudhary, in 2010, he was 28 years old. In 2020, in the affidavit, same affidavit, he becomes not 38, but 53 years old. You see, 23 years gap. So logically, any person ages one year in 1 year, not 23 years and 10 years. So I think what ECI should begin with is Prime Minister, Deputy CM of Bihar, and then come to us, because we are going to answer the questions. Whatever questions are being raised by ECI, we will definitely answer, but ECI is not answering single questions of ours. We asked, why did you cut the name of 65 lakh Biharis?
Okay. No, wait a minute. Priyanka, the question was on Tejashwi Yadav. Satyaprakash Mishra, your response to this.
He is caught. Red-handed, he is caught. Now he is caught, so he is just diverting attention again and again by false allegation against of election commission, and in Supreme Court they don't say, they remain silent when Supreme Court asks different kind of question. Even Supreme Court went ahead to ask, please provide us 15 voter IDs whose name has been just deleted by the election commission, we will take stern action. They are unable to do so. Let Supreme Court decide in this matter. We are not the spokesperson of the election commission. But what Tejashwi Yadav has done in the press conference, it was just out of imagination that a opposition leader of Bihar is indulging in a practice of promoting fake thing before election commission. Either he is holding 2 voter ID card on different epic number. Why this is so? He has to respond of the notice of the election commission. Election commission is a constitutional body. Nobody directs election commission anything in this country. But if they have any kind of imaginary proof, any kind of thing, they can come forward to us that who directed what to the election commission. They please just don't divert the attention of the people. The people of Bihar are well aware that Mr. Tejashwi Yadav may be just bluffing before the press conference by putting different fake epic ID. But if he is holding or if he has got 2 voter ID card, this is a criminal offense under the People's of Representative Act section 31 and section 17 and 18. What it says that a person cannot hold 2 voter ID card. So now the Tejashwi Yadav is in a legal problem, so he has to face the legal consequences as well. Regarding what others said that, oh come on, the Narendra Modi has hidden something in his affidavit. Understand this, the election commission never asked to disclose anything. The last time he filed the nomination and he became the Prime Minister of India, in that affidavit, election commission asked, you cannot leave any column blank. And that point of time, Honorable Prime Minister put the name of his wife, he didn't deny. Now, why Tejashwi Yadav is denying and just avoiding all media people that Mr. Yadav, Tejashwi Yadav, do you have 2 voter ID card? Can Priyanka Bharti here say that the Tejashwi Yadav does have 2 voter ID card?
Can she say so? Opening comments from Sujata Paul from the Congress, then I'll go to Dhananjay Giri. Sujata.
As far as this issue is concerned, I think the RJD spokesperson is well equipped to answer it. However, when we talk about what is happening in Bihar, it is a matter of great concern that the special intensive revision which is taking place, especially which has been sprung upon the people of Bihar, after they carried out the SSR from January 2025 to June 2025, and suddenly when they came up with this, there was no reason for them to do it. But if they have removed names without documents and so many names have been removed, then this clearly means that whether it is the government of Mr. Nitish Kumar, since the time that he's been there, they've all been illegal governments, and also Mr. Modi, the seats that he has got from Bihar are all illegal because those same people voted them in, whether it was in Bihar or in the
Sujata,
center.
my
So
question.
these are questions. Yes.
If you would have noticed the way I ended, my question was the LOP in Bihar has a rap on knuckles from the Election Commission. And today Rahul Gandhi got a rap on knuckle from the Supreme Court. I'm saying he's leader of opposition of this country. Constitutional positions have spoken very strongly against two LOPs, one in Bihar and one of the Parliament, Lok Sabha, on his comments, madam. If you recall, that's how I ended my read. I ended with Mr. Gandhi. That today two very important things happened. Yes, please talk about it. That is why you are here in the debate, ma'am.
Yes, I will talk about my leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, whose comment has been made in national interest. And of course, what was the question which was asked? It was a question which was asked in Parliament. And if you remember, when he spoke about this particular question, what everybody is asking is why did he not ask this question in Parliament? So let me remind you that in November 2021, he submitted a written question in Parliament asking about Chinese border infrastructure on Indian territory. And of course, the Lok Sabha Secretariat is supposed to have suppressed this information by claiming that the Ministry of Defense had objections because, according to them, this was a question of national interest and they refused to answer it. In February 2025, also, Rahul ji again raised this question in Parliament, and again there was a privilege motion which was filed by BJP MPs, which clearly shows that this was being blocked deliberately. Rahul Gandhi ji is asking questions of relevance, questions which are related to the people of this country as well, and we live in a democracy. Now, if I were to remind you, on December 10, 2025, Mr. Utpal Kumar Singh, who is the Secretary General of Lok Sabha, he replied to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and he said, and I quote, that I would like to inform that mention of Wayanad constituency was inadvertently omitted, dash, dash, dash. Further, the question number this month for 3rd December 2021 on Chinese civilian settlements within Indian territory could not be admitted, considering the plea of the Ministry of Defense that it is a sensitive operational matter concerning national security and will be again against national interest to divulge related details in the public domain. This is one letter.